Here is how a student can get Claude AI Pro for free. First, open a browser and search Cloud for Higher Education. Once you search it, click on the first website. It should redirect you to this page where you can click Contact our Education team. Then it will redirect to the page where you put your information. Before you start, you can see Cloud has two programs: to be a Cloud Ambassador or to be a Student Builder. Pick the one you want and you can just start filling your information. They ask for your name, phone number, your school email, job titles, etc. Just keep in mind that for your school email is to be valid. Once you have done, you look something like this. All you need to do now is to wait for their email so that you can get your approval. Also, it's important to note that in some countries, unfortunately, application has already closed for some specific seasons. So, you just need to wait until they open it again. And that's how a student can get Claude AI Pro for free. If this helps, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.